Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Are you okay? I hope you all are okay, right? Okay, my dear children, before we try to learn any language, we need to learn the basic alphabet of that language. To learn Kannada language, we need to learn 49 alphabet. Similarly, to learn English language, we need to learn its 26 alphabet ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಮೂಲ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರಿತುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 49 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದರ 26 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ alphabet one by one. But first we need to know what is alphabet. What is alphabet? Alphabet is a set of letters. Alphabet is a set of letters like all of us our favorite necklace of beads. It means a set of basic written symbols are called alphabet. Okay, and next see, I am writing on the board. What is alphabet? ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ ಎಂದರೇನು? A set of basic written symbols are called alphabet. What is alphabet? A set of basic written symbols are called alphabet. ಮೂಲ ಲಿಖಿತ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. And next question is, how many letters are in the English alphabet? Its right answer is there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. How many letters are in the English alphabet? ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿವೆ? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 26 ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿವೆ. ಓಕೆ, in these 26 letters we can see it in two forms, each letter having an uppercase form and lowercase form. It means uppercase form means capital letters and lowercase form is small letter. Okay, let us we learn about capital letters. capital letters. See how I write in. Please remember it. This is A. This is B. A, B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, and next S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Once again I repeat for you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And we are going to the next small letters. See how those are. This is A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, once again I repeat for you. Small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, remember it, how I read it. Okay, next I would like to show you flashcards. See how this. This is capital letter A and small letter A. See here, capital letter A and small letter A. Both letters are here. Okay. And capital letter B, small letter B. See here, capital letter B and small letter B. Both letters are here. Okay. And next, this is capital letter C and small letter C. Both are same. Okay. And capital letter D, small letter D. Similarly, this is capital letter E, small letter e. This is capital letter F and this is small letter f. And this is capital letter G and small letter g. And this one is capital letter H, small letter h. This is capital letter I, small letter I. And this one is capital letter J and small letter j. And this is capital letter K, small letter k. And this is capital letter L, small letter l. See here, capital letter M, small letter m. And this is capital letter N, small letter n. See this, capital letter O, small letter o. Both are same. Capital letter P and small letter p. Those are also same. Capital letter Q and small letter q. Capital letter R, small letter r. And this is capital letter S, small letter s. Both are same. Capital letter T, small letter t. Capital letter U, small letter u. Capital letter V, small letter v. Capital letter W, small letter w. And this capital letter X and small letter x. And finally, capital letter Y, small letter y. And last, capital letter Z, small letter z. Okay. In these 26 letters, there are 5 vowels. Okay. We find out here. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. And in small letters, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But first we need to know what is vowel. Vowel andre ಏನು? Vowel andre ಸ್ವರ. Vowels ಸ್ವರಗಳು. Okay. Free pronouncing letters are called vowel. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲ್ಪಡುವಂತಹ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವರಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ free pronouncing letters are called vowels and remaining letters are consonants. Okay. Consonants means ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು. Consonants are produced by the help of vowels. ಸ್ವರಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲ್ಪಡುವಂತಹ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ alphabet chart. Okay. See how it is. Okay. See here. Alphabet, varnamali. Okay. Capital letter A and small letter a. So both letters are in this chart. Okay. See here. A, 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 A. In the same way, capital letter B and small letter b. Capital letter C, small letter c. Capital letter D and small letter d. And small capital letter E and small letter e. And next, capital letter F and small letter f. Capital letter G and small letter g. And capital letter H, small letter h. Capital letter I, small letter I. capital letter J and small letter J. Capital letter K, small letter K. Capital letter L, small letter L. Capital M, small m. Capital letter N, small letter n. Okay. Next, capital letter O and small letter O. Capital letter P and small letter P. Capital letter Q, small letter q. Capital letter R, small letter r. Capital letter S and small letter s. Capital letter T, small letter t. Capital letter U and small letter u. Capital letter V and small letter v. Capital letter W, small letter w. Capital letter X and small letter x. And last, capital letter Y and small letter y. And other one is capital letter Z and small letter z. And second one is vowels, ಸ್ವರಗಳು A, E, I, O, U. Okay, vowels. When we spell the vowels, our mouth is open like A, E, I, O, U. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವರಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿ ತೆರೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕಾನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now I sing alphabet song. Okay, you can sing with me. Okay, start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like, better go to bed. If you don't like, better go to bed. If you don't like, better go to bed. Okay, is it super? Okay, now I will give you homework. Okay, you should read and write neatly 2 times daily. Okay. Alphabet. Two times. Capital and small letters. 2 times. Next, vowels, consonants. Okay. Okay, today I will stop the class and hoping to meet you the next class. Take care. Bye bye.